Hey there, my friends. Coach KIRKSHINTA here. Super excited today because I am going to do a review of My Lead Gen Secret. And here's the thing. I've seen My Lead Gen Secret out there for a while, and I sat back and I watched for a while before I made a decision to bring this to my audience, because I like to bring things that I actually use in my own business before I recommend things. And I'm super excited about this system, and I want to go over what it is and help you make an educated decision about integrating this into your business. Okay, so let's get into what My Lead Gen Secret is and how it could help you in your business. So one of the top reasons, that marketers fail is because if you do not have traffic, which I always say that internet marketers come up with terms that really they just need to talk like everyday people. All traffic means is that you have a regular flow of everyday people going to your website so that they could check out what it is you have to offer, and then you can then begin a process through your email marketing of converting that traffic into sales. So if you have no visitors to your website, then you're not making sales. And if you have trash visitors to your website, then you're not making sales either. All right, so here's what a lot of marketers end up going through. They're not putting out content, they don't have a lead strategy, and they're stuck in learning paralysis. And then as a result, they're also not building a list. So then they don't get sales, so then they get discouraged and then they give up. And this is the failure cycle that happens online. What I like about this system is that while you're learning how to put out content, while you're learning a lead strategy, maybe Facebook marketing or YouTube marketing, whatever, you can begin building a list from day one. That is what My Lead Gen Secret puts marketers in position to do. And if you're already out there doing these things like putting out content, you already have a lead strategy, you can use My Lead Gen Secret to also supplement your other marketing efforts. That is why this helps people win no matter what. All right. So this is going to put people in position to begin building that email list, because you hear that all the time. And it's so true that the money is in building an email list. This is going to help you get leads to be able to build that email list without breaking the bank. The average solo ad is for about 100 some odd leads is about $60 a week. So for the price point of this program, you're able to, for a whole month, get the equivalent of multiple solo ads without paying $60+ a week, and to begin to build that list and build a relationship with that list and market to that list, okay? And to avoid things that are at the bottom, which is not getting sales, getting discouraged, and give up, right? I want people to know that you can win. So let's talk about My Lead Gen Secret. So the program is $30 a month, and what that $30 a month is, it comes out to the equivalent of $1 a day to be able to help you grow your business and grow your email list. What that $30 a month is going to help you do is it's going to put you in position to get 100 to 200 leads daily. Okay, 100 to 200 leads daily, and these leads are real people, right? The system is going to give you city, state, zip code, country, email, and this is over almost 99% tier 1 traffic, meaning most of them are coming from the United States or tier 1 countries. And the reason why you want tier 1 traffic as you're building a list is because, to be honest, that's where the money is, right? And for most of the BizOps space, they target tier 1 countries. So you definitely want tier 1 business opportunity seekers. And these leads that come through this system are targeted biz ops seekers. Okay, I was actually talking to someone and coaching them, and they built this list, and it was not, they weren't targeted people. They weren't even people who were interested in the biz ops space. So it's kind of like a waste, right? But with this, because they are targeted biz ops seekers, you can share with them biz ops with them, especially if you have low ticket to mid ticket opportunities to be able to put in front of them and say, hey, if you're looking for opportunity, here's something that you can do. Okay. Another great thing about My Lead Gen Secret is it has an affiliate program. Okay. So with the affiliate program, if you just get one paid referral, they give you a bonus 100 leads per day. So with the system, you automatically get 100 leads a day. Okay. And when you get just one paid referral, you just refer one person. And listen, everybody out there needs leads to grow their business. Okay, so one referral and you get a bonus 100 leads a day. That means you're getting 200 leads per day. If you do the math, that's over 6,000 leads you're going to get for the month for just $30 a month. Okay, in addition, you're able to not only get paid off of that referral and get an extra bonus leads to help you grow your business, but then you're also put in position to make commissions 5 level deeps. Okay, so every time you refer somebody, you make $5, and then you know, for people that they refer that come into the system, you can make $4, $3, $2, and $1. So keep in mind, you're making commissions off of when your people successfully bring a referral in. You're also making commissions as well, and that's a great thing about the program. But the thing that I'm most excited about is there is a $100 bonus. So if you prefer, I don't know why I wrote 7 twice, but if you refer 5 people in a 7-day period, you get a $100 bonus. And you're going to want to stay tuned to the end, because one of my bonuses is going to help you do just that. Okay, and then there's a built-in mailer. Okay, so with My Lead Gen Secret, as you're getting these leads, you do not have to go outside of My Lead Gen Secret to be able to stay in contact with these leads. You can email them straight from the system, okay? And if you have something like Aweber or GetResponse, you can export those leads into your autoresponder. Me personally, I'm just going to use the system as is and just email them from the system, okay? So here's my actual review on the system, and I'm going to actually let you watch the full presentation, which will be beneath this video, but I want to share my sentiments as I went through the system myself and what I think as someone who's been online. And for people who know me long enough, I'm pretty authentic. If I think something is trash, I'll say it. Here's what I think. I think that it's a no-brainer. I think that the system is easy to use. It does have leads that convert. I've seen several top earners go behind the scenes and show that these leads actually convert, and that they're making not only commissions off of the system, but they're making commissions in their primary programs. And that's what you want, is that over time, through your consistency of emailing these leads, these are real people, that you can begin to get some conversions and sales in your primary business. I also like that My Lead Gen Secret keeps it simple. Email marketing does take some help, right? You have to know how to do email marketing. But the great thing is with My Lead Gen Secret, they give you the email swipes. Okay, and then another reason why I like My Lead Gen Secret is because it allows you to make money off of the system that you're already using, and you're not going to go broke building an email list. Okay, so that's another thing that I like. Let's talk about how you can get started with My Lead Gen Secret. First, when you come into the system, there's going to be a quick start video down here. There's a quick start video, and immediately from day one, as soon as you sign up, as soon as you join, your first 100 leads are already waiting for you. You can begin to use the swipes. If you look up here, right here, it says mailing system right there. You can use the swipes that are already there, and you can begin from day one to be emailing your leads. Okay, and you can also promote to them whatever you want. You know, if you have, like I said, my recommendation would be to promote to them a low ticket to mid ticket offer, so that you can just begin to, because they're biz op seekers, right? So you could promote to them anything you want. I'll promote to them a low ticket to mid ticket offer that you have. Okay, so you have your first 100 leads already waiting for you. All you have to do is follow that quick start video that's down there. And that's how you get started. Okay, the next step 2 is you're going to go in your back office and you're going to go ahead and grab your affiliate link. Okay, and I'm going to show you as one of the bonuses how you could take that link and get out there and begin sharing that link and with other affiliates who need a system just like this. And that's going to allow you to get a bonus extra 100 leads a day. That's 200 leads a day, 6,000 leads a month by the end of the month. And you're able to market to that list of people. Okay. So you're going to grab, step 2 is you're going to grab that link and you're going to go ahead and review the affiliate program, and also put that in a notepad, because we're going to show you how to take that link and increase your list, but also put yourself in position to actually make commissions off of this program as you build your list. Okay. I don't think it moved. Hold on. All right. The next step is you're going to actually, or right here where it says create a message, using the swipes that are in your system, you're going to start emailing your list every single day. Once a day, about 15 to 30 minutes a day, and emailing your list. And what that's going to do is you're going to stay consistent with that. You're going to build a list, a huge list, and you're going to see conversions happen over time from you emailing your list on a daily basis. This is the same process that I do in my actual business, is I email my list. Okay, so you're going to do that through this system. All right, let's talk about some bonuses that I give. And again, you can watch the full presentation below. I will be over time going through this system and showing you more as a series. But today I just wanted to get out my first sentiments about this program and let people know that, yes, I recommend this. Okay, so here's some bonuses that I give to people that position themselves with My Lead Gen Secret with me. Is the first thing is you're going to get email swipes to send out to your My Lead Gen Secret members. Bonus number 2, you're going to get access to a members only Facebook group. This is full of people who are at varying levels of success online. You have 6-figure earners, you have multiple 4-figure a month earners, all types of people, beginners, all in one group, helping each other know what to do and how to use this system to have success in their business. Bonus number 3 is you're going to get access to a weekly lead swap. What that is the group guides you through how to do weekly lead swaps if you want to participate, and basically you can triple the amount of leads that you have access to through a lead swap, and they walk you through that in the group. Bonus number 4, let me move up here, and this is to me one of the most important parts of my bonuses, is I'm going to give you a quick start video, and that is going to show you how to get your very first My Lead Gen Secret referral. Okay, using Facebook. Okay, so I'm going to do a video. I'm going to walk you through that. I'm going to actually give you the Facebook ad copy to be able to put out there and to get your first My Lead Gen Secret referral. Here's why that's very important. If you can get 1 referral, you can get 5. Okay, and remember, when you get 5 My Lead Gen Secret referrals, you get how much? $100 bonus. That's what I want for you to have, so that not only is your system paying for itself, but that you are building an email list. All right, so I look forward to welcoming you into my tribe. I look forward to giving you your bonuses and setting you up for success. Let's win. Let's build a massive email list this season, and let's start building for a profitable this season and for spring too, because you know, one of the hottest seasons in network marketing, online marketing, affiliate marketing is December, January, February, and March. But the planting season starts now. So I'll see you on the other side. Bye, guys. Oh, subscribe.